Manali here. I'm working as an senior executive in communication, and I did corporate communication, which is a certificate course from NMIMS. And before I say anything, I would first like to thank NMIMS for coming up with such wonderful professional courses, and which has not only benefited me but also thousands of students all across India. The reason I joined this course had 4 objectives. First, I think the most important resource nowadays is time. And I had a wonderful experience with NMIMS because my working timings are a little rigid. I'm working from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. in my office. So NMIMS was the only, I would say, hand holder which helped me fulfill my dream of completing the course in corporate communication. And the second reason being, we can finish the course at its own pace. That is, we can learn at one's own pace. And there were online classes also, which were streamlined and recorded for future reference and use. So I benefited a lot in terms of time. Second being the comprehensive course content. I think they gave a very valuable comprehensive course. Usually we have to go through, while learning an entire subject, we have to go through many books or online material. But when it comes to NMIMS, they provided me with a hard copy and a soft copy, which was very comprehensive and at par the industry standards, whatever is required in today's industry standards. Third thing being value for money. I was looking for a course which is affordable by me, and yes, I met with the requirements met, and I'm working. So the affordability is a part which is important. So right now I think these are the 3 key factors which helped me towards completing the course at NMIMS. And I think one of the greatest benefits of joining this institute is the friendliness, user friendliness. Whenever we are talking about the online user friendliness, or also the faculty which is always there, even when we are doing online courses, I think if there is a question or a doubt, there is one-on-one approach which one can go for. And so I want to thank NMIMS for giving me the opportunity to moving a step ahead towards my career objective. Thank you.